Welcome to Hungry Kids channel. Today, Mommy is making datemaki, a sweet and savory Japanese rolled omelette. Datemaki is a popular side dish, especially during the New Year celebrations. Prepare white fish and tofu. For the white fish, today Mommy is using pollock. First, remove excess water from the fish and tofu by blotting them with paper towels. Mommy is using suribachi and surikogi to turn white fish into a paste. They are traditional Japanese kitchen tools. Suribachi is a ridged mortar and surikogi is a wooden pestle. They are used for grinding ingredients in Japanese cooking. For this process, you can also use a food processor, but there may be some small fish pieces remaining. Addy usually always wanting food, but today he is playing by himself. He's in a good mood. Put the fish and tofu into the food processor. And first, add 1 egg and mix it together. Whisk 4 eggs together in another bowl. Add sugar, soy sauce, and Japanese sake and mix all together. Then add the mixture to the food processor in several batches. Pour the mixture into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Bake at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Be careful, it's already very hot. Mommy often maximizes the oven's heat efficiency by baking other items like muffins or bread alongside it. While it bakes, Mommy multitasks by drying laundry with Addy's help and toilet training him at the same time. He's such a good helper. It's cooked. Looks delicious. Watch out! Be careful not to fall. This is Makisu. And this is Onisudare. Today, she is using Onisudare to firmly shape datemaki. If you don't have either of them, you can use plastic wrap or parchment paper as a substitute. Position the onisudare with the string side facing away from you. Roll it carefully. Looks like he is enjoying the sample. By the way, this is a baby egg roll, and after making this, she will proceed to make regular egg roll. The baby egg roll uses half of the amount of ingredients compared to the adult version, resulting in a thinner roll. It is also made without sugar. Place the datemaki in the refrigerator for a few hours. While waiting, Mommy took Adi to the park. After returning from the park, he took a shower with Daddy. While he's in the shower, let's take a look at how the datemaki looks. He is done with the shower, and now it's time to prepare the baby egg roll. Baby egg roll is tiny and very cute. Perfect size for Adi. Thank you for watching.